Today we will be going to investigate some real life problems based on LCM and HCF. How the LCM and HCF can help us in daily life. So today we will discuss about it. I would request you to watch the video till the end to know how the LCM and HCF can help us in daily life. So this is the LCM, the least common multiple, as we have discussed the definition of LCM in the previous video part 1. I just want to give you the short review of the LCM definition. LCM of two or more number is the smallest number that can be divided by the numbers without any remainder. There are some keywords for the LCM. You have to keep it in your mind when you are solving the words problem based on the LCM. The words smallest, minimum, first, least, next, repeated over and over, multiple atoms, when both will meet again, when both will be equal. When these type of keywords are there in the real life problems, so you can identify that this in this question you have to do the LCM or either you have to do the SCF. So I am going to move on the one problem. Some exercise books have to be arranged in piles with 15, 25 or 20 books per pile. What is the least number of the books needed to do this? If you will notice in the previous slide, as I have told you, when the keywords smallest, minimum, first, least. So here the word least is there. As you can see here in this question, the word least is there. So it's mean the keyword least is there. What you have to do in this question, you have to find out the LCM. And how to find out the LCM? See, I'm going to start with the smallest number. I will start with 2. I will divide with 2, 15 and 25. 15 and 25, it will not come in the table of 2. So I'm going to move on 20. So 15 and 25, I have to write as it is. 2 tens are 20. If you will notice that 10 again it will come in the table of 2. So the rest of the numbers 15 and 25 I am going to write as it is. 2 5s are 10. Now I am going to move on 3. In the table of 3, 15 comes 5 times and the rest of the numbers I have to write as it is, because it is not coming in the table of 3. I have to divide until I will not get the co-prime number. And what is the co-prime number? Co-prime number is 1. So now I am going to move on 5. 5 1s are, 5 5s are, and 5 1s are. Again I will divide with. So as you have noticed that now we have the co-prime number in the last. Now what you have to do, the least number of books needed to do, how you will find out? Just multiply all these numbers. So you will get the answer. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, and 65s are 300 books. As you can see, the solution is there in this slide. The least number of books needed to arrange the books in piles. Okay, you have to need to find the LCM. How you can find out the LCM? This is the way, as I have told you in the previous slide. The answer is 300 books. Now I am going to move the real life problem based on HCF. But have a look the keywords of the highest common factor. But before before the keywords, just see the definition of the HCF as we have discussed in the part 1 video. HCF of two or more number is the greatest number that divides all the numbers without leaving any remainder. So these are the keywords that can be used in the words problem. The word greatest, largest, maximum, dividing something, cutting something into the pieces, these types of keywords can be used in the words problem based on HCF. So now I'm going to move on the one problem, one scenario. The capacity of two water tanker is 85 liters and 95 liters respectively. What is the maximum capacity of the container which can be used to measure water from both the tanks exactly? If you will notice that here in this question the word maximum is there. As we have discussed in the previous slide, the keyword maximum is there. So here the keyword maximum is there. So what you can do, you have to find out the SCF. So for finding the SCF, what you have to do, 85, you will do it separately. I'm going to start with the table of 5. I'm going to divide with the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. Okay, and 17 ones are, because 17 is a prime number, it has only 2 factors, so 17 ones are 17. Again here I'm going to do with the table of 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 nines are 45. 19 is a prime number, so 19 ones are 19. Now here what you have to do, you have to write the factors of 85, that is 5 and multiply by 17, and the factors of 95 is, so what is the common factor? 5. So here the answer is 5. What is the, see here the solution is there. The maximum capacity of the container need to find the LCF. As you can see, the answer is 5 liter. So this is the way to find out this is the way to solve the question based on the based on HCF and LCM real life problem. I hope this video it will help you to solve your assignment. Okay, thank you for watching.